Hello guys, today we will discuss about Mohr Circle which in Python which will be interactive. So here you can see that if I move x normal stress of x, it will change the location of Mohr Circle dimension. Now we will discuss about how to do that in Python code. So first we will import numpy and we will import whole. We'll import matplot library for this plotting this design Mohr circle from IPY wizard. We'll import this interactive module. Now we'll define our function trace, and here you can see that interactive plot will define trace and shear 0 to 90, normal stress in x direction minus 50 to 100, and normal stress in y direction 50 to 100. So it will import this function in this stress function. This value will be here. Call the value is here. Now the z line space 0 to 360 and 360 division. So here you can see that this circle is around 360 degree, so we'll do division by 360. Now this radius of this Mohr circle will be a square root of the normal stress minus normal stress y direction divided by 2 square plus shear stress square. Now this is a whole thing you can see in any SOM or strength of material book, so I will not go for detail. Now x is equal to normal stress in x direction, normal stress in y direction divided by 2 plus r cos radian z. This line place will be 0 to 360, means first it will input 0 value, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. It will convert into radian, and same this y coordinate, means if you want to plot here, so you have to need x and y. So these are the this function x and y. So these are the x and y. Now what is this cx and cy? This is actually coordinate system. You can plot this 0 comma 1. So first we'll define one list value. So this is only x value and this is only y value, means y coordinate. So first we'll define sx0. This x is sx and y is 0, means this one. Now sx and shear means this one. Now we'll plot sy minus shear, means this one. Now sy 0 means this one, and sx 0 means this here to here. So first we have plot 0, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one. Now we'll plot cxy and this x and y coordinate system, and we will x label sigma and y label shear stress. We'll now define, if we plot, I will hide this axis, and if you plot show, and this is interactive plot. If I run this code, you can see that if you change this direction, it will be elliptical. Here you can see that it is elliptical. We want that in circle. Why this is happening? Because it is considering one of this value will be maximum of this one. So if our axis will be equal, then it will show our elliptical means circular value. If I run this code, here you can see that if I change this graph, you can see that the circle remains circle, it will not become elliptical. So by this way you can plot interactive Mohr circle using any, means if you find cx's value around minus 11, so it will just you have to interactive this thing and you can get your Mohr Circle result. Thank you guys. Please watch and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.